Welcome to Simple Bakes.
Hi guys!
Today we're going to be making salmon
And tilapia.
This is what it looks like. The first step is to thaw them out, which will take from 30 minutes to an hour.
So basically how to thaw them out, you're just going to get a bowl, and that bowl will be having hot water in it. Put your salmon and tilapia in there and just let it rest, let it thaw out.
And it's your choice. You can make salmon or tilapia. Okay, it's time to season the salmon and tilapia. We're going to be seasoning it with salt and ground pepper. You can use black pepper or white pepper, but we're going to be using white pepper.
And the reason for that is because most little kids don't like seeing pepper on their dishes. So to hide that, you can use white pepper, and it can be found wherever you get your normal pepper.
Vegetable part is optional, but we decided to do this to add some flavor from the juices of the vegetables. We used mushroom, onion, and bell pepper. You can use anything that you want. So after that, just put it in the pan and slap the tilapia and salmon on. But the tilapia and salmon, for the seasoning, you have to put a pinch of each, or to taste.
Each.
Now you want to put your skillet onto the stove and put it on medium heat for each. We're using 2 pans because we're making 2 pieces of tilapia and 2 pieces of salmon. You're going to want to oil or butter or spray the pan, whatever you use. It's your choice. Then we're going to want to add in the vegetables. Now we're adding in our vegetables. First our mushrooms, and we've already preheated it. Then our onions, then our peppers.
You're going to want to mix it with a wooden spoon.
This pan we are using for the tilapia because we like our tilapia seasoned. For the salmon, we're just going to leave it how it is, seasoned with salt and pepper. Okay, now while you're sauteing your vegetables, this is the time to stick in your tilapia in the one with the vegetables and your salmon in the one with no vegetables. So, let's put them in. First, the tilapia. You have to be very careful with tilapia because it breaks very easily. It's one of the easiest breaking fish. Next, the salmon.
A quick note with tilapia, you want to be careful when you're moving the vegetables around because you don't want it to hit the tilapia too hard so it doesn't break. So the amount of time to cook the tilapia is going to be 4 minutes on each side. So when 4 minutes is up, you're just going to flip the tilapia and let it cook for another 4 minutes on the other side. As for the salmon, it's 5 minutes each side.
Okay, what you're going to do is, just in case you didn't know what temperature, for the salmon, you're going to want to put it on high heat. And for the tilapia, you're going to want it on medium-high heat, as shown.
So this is how our salmon and tilapia turned out.
And as you can see, the tilapia is a little broken up from the pan because it got stuck. We don't know what happened, but it's still going to taste good. We hope that yours turned out great. And if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe,
And tell us in the comments down below what else you'd like us to make.
Thank
Until
you.
next time, bye.
Bye.